Hello, class. I want to start out by saying that I really hope everyone had a great summer. I know I did. And here's to a great school year. Rock on, man. So I want you to know that I'm Mr. Bradshaw, and you can call me Mr. B if you'd like, or um, whatever floats your boat, really. If you turn your textbooks into page 1, we will see where it says precipitation, condensation, and evaporation. The water cycle. In big blue letters, it says the water cycle. The water cycle is when the cloud starts on step 1, which is precipitation. Step 2 is condensation, and step 3 is evaporation. If you see what I'm doing, these are what it does. It rains, it builds up, and it evaporates. It goes away. So here's how it happens. A cloud. Imagine a cloud in the sky, a very big cloud. It's very full. It's really heavy. It needs to let go of some weight so it rains. Okay? It doesn't need to be rain. It could be snow. It could be hail. It could be sleet or whatever. Typically, it's rain though, and then it rains on the ground for plants. Plants need rain so they can have nutrition. Plants take in the rain that falls on the ground from the clouds. It soaks them up so they can have nutrition to grow, like trees, your garden plants, grass, plenty of plants. So while it's raining, another event occurs called condensation. This is the buildup of rain, little droplets of rain. You can see them on your window sometimes, and then you can write on them. Remember when you used to do that? Remember when you probably still do it? I even do it. That's called condensation. That's the buildup of droplets of rain on a particular surface. That's known as condensation. Now evaporation. This is where it's cool. This is after it stops raining and the sun comes out and it dries them all up. It dries all of it up. It evaporates. So it took what was on the ground and on your window or on a surface, and it brought it all back up with it. Because it heated it and it evaporated. It came up from the ground. That's very interesting. Now after, you might notice sometimes an event known as the dew point. This is where grass has it. When you come outside in the early morning like you did this morning to go to school, and the grass was wet, that is because it is evaporating. The water that was inside the grass is evaporating from the sun and causing it to rise. So heat causes water to rise. And now, a way that you can see this at home is if you're taking a shower and you just get out of the shower, you can see condensation build up on your mirror in the bathroom. Or you can see while you're boiling water, the evaporation will occur. If you boil water and then you take it off the heat and then the steam comes up and then the water goes down, that's known as evaporation. It's a very interesting topic. Now that was just, I wanted to touch on that. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about plants and animals. Now plants, like I said, they need water to survive. So they get water from the earth when it rains. And then the excess gets soaked up from the ground into the atmosphere by evaporation. So, really quick, who can tell me, does anybody have any questions? You? No one? Okay. Who can tell me what, I'm sorry. Who can tell me what condensation is? Condensation, yes. Condensation is the buildup of droplets of water on a surface. That's correct. What is precipitation? Right. That's when water falls on the ground while it's raining or snowing or hailing for nutrition for the trees and plants. That's correct. And what is evaporation? When it all stops and the sun makes the precipitation rise off the ground. What is a dew point? when grass evaporates and it starts to evaporate into the top of its tree. Yes. So I really hope everyone enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.